Hello everybody, today let us learn about my presentation and project Waste Not, Want Not, a fun recycling challenge for all. Recycle for a better tomorrow. Every day is good, but we have to recycle to make the world a better place. So it's a fun and educational game. Let's start. So recycle for a better tomorrow. Do your part for social good. Game is designed to educate younger children or anyone about the importance of recycling. Whoever doesn't know about this, they can play this project. It's an interactive and fun way to learn about different recyclable and non-recyclable items. It's useful to make a habit it to put things in the proper recycling bins. Random modules for generating items from the list. While loop to continue the number given. So and if else for checking the correct answer and terminating the game. Colorama for adding the colors to the output. Scoring to get the final scores. And print to print welcome and other messages for the user or whoever is playing. Let's start the project. So this is my project. I'll show you how to play it. So we need to find the right item. So first if you don't know, you can check the list. But then if you get good at it, then you can try without seeing the list. So let's try with the list. So what should we do with the paper? Let us see. We can think it is recyclable. So let's recycle it. Recycle. Recycle. Next is, what should we do with a plastic wrap? Non-recyclable. It means that it's not able to recycle. Goes in the trash. So, what should you do with a plastic wrap? Enter recycle, trash or donate. Donate means like give it to other people's like old books. So next is what should we do with a plastic wrap? So don't worry if some questions repeat. In the next version I will make a condition to not repeat the items. So let's continue. So we know this one. It is trash. It'll go in the trash. Trash. So correct. So what should we do with the plastic bottles then? Is it? So it is plastic bottle and it's recyclable. So recycle. So, what should we do with metal? We should recycle it again. That is incorrect. This is what it'll get. So, if next I'll show you how to get it all correct. So, plastic wrap we will non-recyclable. So, trash. Continue. So, use the shoe is the non-recyclable. So trash again. So then, in the plastic bag is the thinking, recycle. So if you get it all, if you get a few wrong or all incorrect, then we will not get the message that says congratulations, you got a perfect score. Every bit of recycling helps the planet. Green. So let's continue. Last question. Is glass bottle? Glass bottle is the recycle. Good effort. Remember, recycling is important to help you protect the planet and make it clean and green. You scored 8 out of 10. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more videos. Bye.